Ha kejingja ke bapen kendit ya kinong syong jong katan. Ki pulit ke distrik hakan terik ya yong kinalap din ya ke metiap jong ke wei ke kynthei beriu bala tap hapok ke berni plastik. Na ke wei ke nalahe ke badan hapedeng ke shnong Nongrah Lapalang. Ki bor pulit ki lawan poi mardor shah keni ke jaka hadin baki layo jing tip na ki nong syong shnong ha ke bayade bat ke jing lap ya keni ke metiap ha ke ba ki lapen long mardor ya ke jing tokin. Habakran Syakilat Pathai Kubor u Superintendent of Police ke distrik ubak Vivek Sim. Ula penti kena bakani ke metiap ke day jong ke kong elan pawa lai pukandai snem reta. Kabalaja arngai na laying na duk ke arpo trik ulber baladep ke basyong basa ha lau jendriu nong temai bat ke badai try shnong na West Giant Hills. Nakaliang kibahaya ngasem jong kini kalanot ru kilawan poi syah katei ke jaka balalap ya ke metiap bat hadin lapen kendriak no syapot nigrims na ke benta banle ya ke postmortem. USP ula penti kena bah kini ke kynthei kala syak pyniap bat ki pulit kila register case bat sedang ban penlong ya ke jing tok kit ban yok kem ya ki badon keti.
There was this lady Ilang Awat, 39 years. She had gone missing. She's a temporary resident of Laujandri of Meghalaya, and she went missing on the 20th of March. A missing report had been filed in the Japanese station. Lookout notices were sent, lookout alerts were sent to all police stations, to other districts and other states, neighboring states, but no information was received on her whereabouts. It was only today, that the 6th of April, that body was found in a plastic sack which was tied in the river adjoining Nongrah Lapalang. And a lot of our police officers had gone there, the special cell, the forensic team had gone there to the place of occurrence to examine the place of occurrence and the body. The body has been, as of now, been taken to Nigrims, and post-mortem will be conducted tomorrow. A case will be registered against the accused, and police is still working on the case, on the investigation of the case, to ensure that the culprit is booked. We already have certain clues on the suspect, and very soon we'll be clear on who the person is. We start the investigation, we'll know what is the motive and the whole behind the crime. See, the body is decomposed. It's in a decomposed state right now. Once post-mortem is over, once we get a report, we'll be able to see what kind of injury, how was the deceased killed. This will be up to post-mortem.
Ini para jo ini baklan ide iba syong bat ni mencuai dang kena kan di syong bai pa ye jengi long so kendit mo ba yo pom gani kan news ba long gila liwat to ko ski ba ija ai tang bangi klem lap ngidang lap nang long gandeng i kan news I phone kan ni para yang ai ong wan shani nganang yo wan mentahi namar ngai ladi ro hayem ba yo te nganang yo wan mentahi ni along kumno kan because like she's not stable iway bopli long iba ana imlo yo snow ba sa kaway long imyo snow hero nang takaktin ka thali do imyo snow tho banya kren ka banya snow tho banya kren do detang hayeng hasam hi namalong ba kibreu ti imla banya conversation like banya kren ya khana ba kibreu ti imla re bopli she's very like anong mo retarded day ra she's a special child anong actually ngi por bay ja tingim tip AA tadi la aja hadin like Friday ja tingi tip ni hakas ni ngatip maha dalong pakas ni Sunday. The Sunday marsin tip hi ti ong ni para yung wan no siya po lausip namar ngi yal iwat ba siya to John Children's Hospital. Tingi iwat ba siya takan. Tangkum tahi. No, nothing. Nothing. We can ngimpat lapan ong
Mana mestem ifun itu iterayi yang ngah. Tay ong wan sene saying jonga nga iper ke borni kadon. Tay nga po ong ap kandiat yung wan na mantah ndang ala poi hang tu tengah peksis lam ni katakan nyut hang tu badon. kidon ki borni babun hang tu ki nyut tengah ngapet ngai phla sang kata kawai kin tengah ong ye kita ki ba don tar ong katur boy skan tang kata kawai boy skan tengah phla tengah pun nak ki rang badong ya rang ba snong tengah sapun nak kan ye ki kulit na renja ro ngong wan pet lem se tip dei nyut na dei ka ai ro ngai phla kan ke borni te khamat teman jonga te siwan pet dei nyut wan ye sngo ai remo tang bang i pher kata ka borni te ki yawan ki kulit ken dala wan ki kulit ki ra ya pet yang tu ki ong bala boy ksan tip itu te kum tahi hot ka don habor ni la te la song de khop la te bahas bak ita kum tu ten shu i bet long shu i kata kadak baka khong dun ki ilong kum ikli ilong kum ikijat kum ta kan long shumut dur mangi kan kato bapo borni imat la por khat wei tam kum tu te hadu bangan dai imat khat wei baji ngapai hang tu tang bang ngapai swasi slem kan ni apai swasi slem ba itu teraying balap ning kong di teraying hang tu hi be ipen put ya katuka khrum jong istu sapo ikon kan mau ban pet sta sadien kan ionga iklat ikon na yang ai kan katu kawa te ka dei bordar no jong ka la long ka bordar hang tu la long ka renja bat katu ka lumar bo hang tu namar katu te ka dei bordar jong kawa katu batu keleng te mo long ngau si ka ba ngau si sibun kan mau ka jinglong yang itu kena ulek kum tu te sok manta ka dia kum ne tengi kum ki ba syong hang tu hadong ru ngidon sibun ka jing ta mo